Have you ever been around a woman and felt like she's giving you hints, but you're just not sure? What if there's a way to confidently decode these subtle signals without second-guessing yourself? Today on the Stoic Route, we're diving into the fascinating world of non-verbal attraction. Stick around because you're about to uncover the 7 secret signs a woman wants you to make a move. Signs most men overlook. Understanding these signals could change everything. Why? Because most women won't directly tell you, "I like you, make a move." Instead, they rely on subtle cues, body language, and hints that often go unnoticed. If you've hesitated in the past or doubted yourself, this is your chance to clear the confusion and move forward with confidence. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to spot these signs, but also how to respond respectfully and effectively. So, let's dive in. Why women don't just say it. Before we get to the signs, let's address a big question. Why don't women just come out and say what they feel? It all comes down to social conditioning. For centuries, women have been encouraged to be subtle and reserved in expressing interest. This is partly due to societal expectations and partly due to the fear of rejection or judgment. So, instead of being direct, many women rely on non-verbal communication to let you know they're interested. They expect you to pick up on their hints and respond accordingly. But here's the tricky part. Misreading these cues or assuming too much can backfire. That's why recognizing these signs with clarity and respect is so important. When you can confidently interpret these signals, everything changes. You'll stop second-guessing yourself, you'll know when to act, and you'll approach situations with ease. Ready to level up? Let's dive into the 7 secret signs. Sign number 1. She finds ways to be close to you. If a woman is interested in you, she'll often try to be near you. This isn't random, it's intentional. For example, she might choose to sit next to you in a crowded room, even when there are plenty of other options. Or she might linger near you in a social setting, creating opportunities for interaction. Pay attention to how often she gravitates toward your space. Does she pass by you more often than necessary? Does she lean in closer when talking? These actions are subtle ways of signaling interest and inviting you to engage. Sign number 2. She mirrors your body language. Mirroring is a fascinating psychological phenomenon where someone subconsciously mimics your actions. If a woman is attracted to you, she might copy your posture, gestures, or even your tone of voice. For example, if you lean forward slightly, she might do the same. If you're enthusiastic, she might match your energy level. These small subconscious actions reveal a desire to connect and build rapport. So next time you're talking to her, notice if her movements or energy mirror yours. It's a subtle yet powerful indicator of interest. Sign number 3. She initiates playful physical touch. Touch is one of the most direct ways humans communicate attraction. If she's finding excuses to touch you, like tapping your arm while laughing or brushing something off your shirt, it's a strong sign she's interested. These touches are often playful and light, but they're deliberate. She's breaking the touch barrier to see how you respond. The key is to notice the frequency and context of these gestures. If they happen consistently, it's no coincidence. Sign number 4. She gives you prolonged eye contact. They say the eyes are the window to the soul, and when a woman is interested, her gaze will say it all. If she holds eye contact longer than what's typical in casual conversation, she's signaling attraction. Prolonged eye contact creates intimacy and shows she's focused on you. Look for a soft, warm gaze, often paired with a slight smile or head tilt. It's not just about staring, it's about connecting. If her eyes linger even as the conversation shifts, that's your cue to confidently reciprocate. If you're enjoying this so far, Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Stoic Route. Your support helps us grow and keeps us bringing you valuable insights. Sign number 5. She laughs at your jokes, even the bad ones. Laughter is a powerful bonding tool, and if she's laughing at your jokes, even the ones you know aren't great, it's a sign she enjoys your company. Genuine laughter often comes with relaxed body language and a sparkle in her eyes. If she leans in closer or touches your arm while laughing, it's an even stronger signal of interest. Humor creates a connection, so don't underestimate its impact. Sign number 6. She asks personal questions. When a woman is interested, she'll want to learn more about you. This goes beyond small talk. She'll ask thoughtful questions about your hobbies, goals, or even your family. For instance, she might casually ask about your weekend plans, but follow up with deeper questions that show genuine curiosity. If she remembers details from past conversations, it's a clear sign she's invested in getting to know you better. Sign number 7. She compliments you and notices small details. Compliments are a strong indicator of interest, especially when they're thoughtful and specific. Instead of generic praise, she might say something like, "You have a great sense of style," or "I admire how calm you are under pressure." Pay attention to how she notices the little things, your watch, your cologne, or even how you express yourself. These compliments go beyond surface-level admiration. They're her way of creating a connection. How to respond to these signs? When you notice these signals, the most important thing is to stay confident and respectful. Confidence is attractive, but it's crucial to respect her boundaries. Acknowledge her interest naturally. If she compliments you, return the favor with a genuine compliment. If she's asking personal questions, share a meaningful story. The goal is to build a connection without overwhelming her. Recognizing these 7 secret signs can transform how you approach social interactions. From creating opportunities to be close to you to playful touches, prolonged eye contact, and thoughtful compliments, women have subtle yet powerful ways of showing interest. Confidence and respect are your greatest tools. Trust yourself, pay attention to the cues, and take things at a natural pace. Attraction is about connection, and connection starts with awareness. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Stoic Route for more insights. Let us know in the comments which sign surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.